From the studios inside the Lawrenceville School's historic Pop Hall, I'm Naima Ford, and this is L10 News. To kick off this week's episode, arts producers Anna, Celestine, and Jenny take us to the Trashion show to see how students turn trash into treasure.
I'm Louise Carroll. I am the co-lead of the events subcommittee, and I am in the 4th form. So the Trashion show is an annual house competition that Sustainability Council runs every year. I would say the purpose of the Trashion show is to try and promote sustainable awareness within the houses, getting people to recognize the materials that we are throwing away on a daily basis and how we can reuse them and recycle them in a different and unique way. The whole point of the Trashion show is to use recycled materials. So after the Trashion show, what happens? We recycle those materials. Backstage, there was a lot of different containers, I guess, and different bags to separate things. The planning process was a lot of emails. a lot of emails. Events subcommittee was more on top of the meeting infrastructure, if that makes any sense. So we were in charge of figuring out music, announcements, getting the MCs together, judges together, writing the rubric for the judges, the whole judges table and the mics, all of the tech stuff, that was on us. The House subcommittee was really integral because they got all of the sus reps and the models together. So it was really a big team effort considering that there are so many houses and so many people involved. But yeah, it was a lot of effort went into planning the Trashion show, and I would say Sustainability Council is very proud of it. So yeah. Next up. Because I'm also the Carter sus rep, I got to see the other side of it, which was actually making the outfit, and it was very much a whole house effort. Aria donated a lot of Lawrence articles, and so we made a big skirt out of it, and then I made the wings out of cardboard. Gabriella and Sophie helped decorate it with glitter and streamers and all of this other stuff. Sophie Yang made the corset, and Isabella helped design it. It was a lot of people involved, and then the fact that we won is also kind of awesome.
Carter's looking really good.
Very excited of last Thursday. very proud of last Thursday.
Thanks to the Sustainability Council for encouraging sustainable efforts on campus through displaying the creativity of our community. Now, welcome to Campus Hot Takes from our producers Clementine, Marco, Roshan, and Rennie.
Hi, I'm Rennie.
And I'm Marco. Welcome to episode 1 of Campus Opinions.
Let's go. Hi, Sloan. Hi, Chloe. What is the best Thai food? My favorite Thai food is the grilled chicken in the salad bar. I think the best Thai food is wok.
What's your name?
Yashish.
Where's the best bathroom on campus?
I'd probably say maybe in the new Psy or definitely downstairs in the library.
It's a good pick.
Hi, guys.
Alright.
Yeah.
What is the best spot on Main Street?
Definitely Starbucks.
TJ's with the rebrand is crazy.
Sandwich shop.
Thank you.
Oh, Shaylin. I got a question for you. What's your favorite place on Main Street?
Definitely gotta be the laundromat.
Oh, nice. Edward, Marcus, nice to see you guys here. I have a question for you too.
Yeah?
What is your favorite thing to do on campus while procrastinating?
I'd say just staring into the abyss for 30 minutes because I just don't want to do work. I don't feel like doing it.
Just probably doom scrolling and playing Brawl Stars.
Hi, Kate. Hi, Ava. I have a question for you guys. What is the best water on campus?
Psy water. Definitely downstairs Psy.
Thank you. Hi, Enoch. What is your favorite bathhouse meal?
My favorite bathhouse meal is a caramel frappe, no coffee, just cream.
Hi, Cassius. What is your favorite bathhouse meal?
I'm gonna have to go with the buffalo pizza.
I'm like, well, hello, Bastion. Guys, what is your favorite spot on campus? I would say Keith. Oh, the bathhouse. Good answers.
Hi, what is one thing that you cannot live without on campus?
Sophia Lu's biology study guides. Really getting me through the class.
Thank you.
Look out for more informal interviews with students in the future. From the library to full campus, our news sections show us what wellness at Lawrenceville looks like.
Hi everyone, my name is Naja King and I'm the wellness representative on student council. This year was the rollout of the first ever Wellness Week. After collaborating with the Wellness Council and the Wellness Council Board, we kind of came to the theme of balance because we saw that for a lot of Lawrenceville students, wellness means balance because we're really busy. We're student athletes, we're involved with so many clubs, so many things, and it can get really hectic. And so we wanted to really embrace the idea of community because in all those stressful times, you need someone to rely on. So on Saturday, in the morning, we had programming, which was workshops, and we had people submit proposals a while back, actually, and we had them describe kind of how wellness relates to their workshop. And I really like this year, I feel like we had a lot of different ideas going around for the workshops, and a lot of students stepped up and showed their leadership skills and showed that they really care about the community, and I thought that was really important. And not only that, after the workshops, I heard a lot of good feedback, and people were having a really good time in their workshops, and met different people they never met before, which was something that I thought was really interesting and really important, actually. This week was really only the start. I know that we expanded this from a day to a week, but ultimately the goal is to have a wellness year. But for that to happen, there has to be a lot of work done with the individual and the community as a whole. I think that individually, hopefully we can continue to learn different coping strategies and have a supportive community in place. And then also look at policies that can be transformed to better help students here and faculty as well, because we're all one big community. So yeah, this is just the work getting started, and I'm looking forward to working with everyone to make the community whole. Stay well at the Ville.
Thanks to news producers Ari, Simi, and Sophie. We hope this year's Wellness Week, with former NBA player and addiction recovery advocate Chris Herron as our guest speaker, made space for students to cultivate a community centered on balance, care, and holistic health. Herron urged students to identify early signs of addiction, focus on their well-being, and reach out for help when necessary. Afterwards, students met in advisory meetings for close-knit discussions. We hope his powerful message sparked thoughtful reflections among students about making healthier decisions and cultivating a supportive community. On the topic of community, the Girls Varsity Hockey team played a game against Hill last Wednesday. Sports producers David, Leo, Anthony, and Bridget interviewed members of the team.
I'm here with Natalie Dang and Sarah Martin. Okay, so far, what has been your favorite moment about hockey season?
Probably when we won our first game because it was good to get back Taft.
Probably Taft tournament. You know, we had a great time at the hotel and spending time together. It was great.
Okay, and what is your favorite thing about team culture, hockey culture?
Probably that we're all super close, and that we have a pregame dance and when we do the Con Night Joe.
Yes, we do the Con Night Joe and we have a dance. Everyone kills it. So much fun. Yeah.
Yep.
Cece, I really want to be a manager's team. Convince me why I should be a manager's team. Go.
The team has fun everywhere. We're stuck on the bus ride. We're on the side of the road. The bus is getting rebooted. We're all like having fun in the bus. I don't know. For the games, we always do like dances and stuff. I feel like that's pretty fun. I just feel like everyone's always so supportive, and I love that.
Okay. And what was your favorite thing about being home for this skill game?
My favorite thing is being on the bench, then looking back up and seeing like all my friends and family watching. I feel like that's really special to everybody.
For sure. And I don't know, are there any like kind of goals you have for yourself for the team this season?
For the team, I really want us all to feel good about the way we're playing and like look back on the season and not be like, oh, I wish I could have pushed harder this game or something. So, yeah.
Okay, last picture. What is your favorite thing about being on the Girls Varsity Hockey team?
Definitely the bond we all have with each other. It's always a lot of fun and everyone supports each other. Yeah.
And what was your favorite thing about being home for this last game? Or not this last, but the Hill game?
No? Yeah, it definitely brought the energy in the crowd and yeah, it just felt better. I feel like we all played a lot better and yeah.
We are so excited to see more hockey games this season, including the upcoming Lawrenceville Boys Varsity Hockey game against Hill on January 29th. More news. On Monday, January 20th, Lawrenceville hosted an all-school meeting in honor of MLK Day. Offerings featured faculty speeches, student reflections, and performances, and a special performance by pianist and college sophomore Timmy Isan. It was a meaningful event that allowed the community to reflect on the profound impact of Dr. King's work and come together in shared appreciation of his legacy. That's it for this week's episode. As always, if you have a story to share, let us know or stop by our office in the basement of Pop Hall. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss an episode. And from all of us here at L10, thanks for watching.